Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out something truly next level, the 2025 Tricycle Camper. It's not a bike, it's not a camper, it's something in between. And honestly, it's one of the most fascinating innovations we've seen in the outdoor space in years. At first glance, the design catches your eye immediately. It's sleek, aerodynamic, and looks a bit like a futuristic pod hitched to a sturdy three-wheeled electric trike. The whole system is designed to be ultra-lightweight, using a mix of carbon fiber and reinforced aluminum to keep things strong but easy to pull. The trike itself uses an electric assist motor that gives you a top speed of around 25 miles per hour, with a real-world range of 60 to 70 miles per charge, depending on terrain. And yes, it's fully street legal in most cities, and you don't need a driver's license in many places to operate it. But let's talk about the camper pod, because that's where the real magic happens. When you open it up, you're greeted by a surprisingly functional and cozy micro-living space. It's got a convertible sleeping area that folds out into a small double bed, a pop-up table for meals or work, and even a slide-out kitchenette. The rear kitchen features an induction cooktop, a 12-volt mini-fridge, and a built-in water tank with a foot pump sink. Some models even offer an optional composting toilet or portable shower setup. And yes, there's enough headroom to sit up comfortably. Inside, what powers all of this? A 400-watt solar array that folds out from the top of the camper. It charges an internal battery bank that keeps everything running, from your lights and fan to your devices and fridge. On a sunny day, it collects enough energy to keep the essentials going for at least 2 full days without needing a recharge. There's even a USB and AC power station inside for charging your gear. And some models include a smart display that shows your current battery usage and solar input. So what's it like to actually use it? We took the Tricycle Camper out for a full-day adventure, starting in the city, heading out through local parks, and ending up at a rural lakeside camp spot. Riding it is surprisingly smooth. The trike is stable even with the camper attached, and the electric assist really helps when you hit hills or longer stretches. It's not going to break any speed records, but it's more than capable for relaxed touring or weekend escapes. Parking is a breeze. You don't need a special spot or campsite. We parked it right off a bike trail and had everything we needed for the night. Of course, it's not perfect. Storage is limited, so you'll need to pack light and think smart. Weather protection is solid for rain and wind. But if you're going somewhere very cold or hot, you might want to invest in the insulation and climate control kits. And while it's great for solo travelers or couples, there's not enough room for more than 2 people, so families will need something bigger. That said, the 2025 Tricycle Camper is really about a new kind of travel philosophy. It's about slowing down, staying off the grid, and having everything you need, without the weight and cost of a van or RV. It's perfect for urban dwellers looking for weekend escapes, digital nomads who want to go mobile with minimal impact, or anyone who's dreamed of tiny living on a smaller, lighter scale. So what do you think? Could you see yourself touring the countryside in one of these? Would you trade your car or camper van for a trike and a pod? Let me know in the comments. I really want to hear your take on this.